Hello everyone, it's 26th June. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have, from Sunday, India will resume tourist visas for Bangladesh nationals, says Trivedi. Again relevant for international relations perspective. Then we have FIR against 8 over theft of donations at Ram Temple. Then we have NCERT new social science textbook for class 9th has SIR. More details on emergency. Then we have saving lives on roads. Supreme Court told states to put in 5 key measures. Hardly any state did. Moving forward, we have Delhi High Court allows sexual assault survivors to terminate 28-week pregnancy. Then we have predictive analytics dashboards, hotspot detection, AI-based systems set to make AQI forecast sharper. Again, relevant for environment as well as science and tech perspective. Then we have Gurgaon garbage fee has residents fuming, civic body forced to make a U-turn. Moving forward, we have Bengal government to bring UCC bill this session. Again, relevant for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have a Nalanda model for the 21st century. Again, relevant for education perspective. Moving forward, we have the explained page where we have if passport is not proof of citizenship, what is? Again, relevant for polity and governance perspective. Then we have 100% tag on label disclaimers on the back. Why CCPA fined 2 companies. Then we have in Kunal Shah appointment, a signal of WhatsApp's Indian ambition. Again, relevant for science and tech perspective. Then we have behind Venezuela's quake devastation, rare seismic doublet, vulnerable location. Again, relevant for international relations as well as disaster management perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have government RBI's bond measure pull 8 months of FPI money in 2 weeks. Then we have relief to digital fraud victims, how losses up to rupees 50k can be recovered. And then we have for a trade deal, US has to ensure competitive edge for India, says Piyush Goyal. Then we have Dubai moves to contain economic fallout from Iran strikes. Again, relevant for international relations perspective. Going forward, we have the world page where we have as Hormuz oil flow rebounds, US tries to reassure Gulf allies that deal is sound. Again, relevant for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.